on the moon. It's Lifter's birthday today.
Shh! It's a surprise!
Surprise!
What? Oh, hello!
Lifter, it's your birthday.
Happy birthday, Lifter.
You have to make a wish, Lifter, and then blow out the candle.
Are you sure, dearie? Have you ever seen me blow anything out? I can rustle up quite a breeze.
It's not as if you're going to blow us away, is it? For that, you'd need super amazing bagpipe-playing lungs like mine. Go on, make a wish.
Okay, then. Brace yourselves. Wish. Whoops.
Oh, that was fantastic!
Wind! That was like wind. Lifter, you have the strongest breath ever.
So what did you wish for, Lifter?
I hope it wasn't a slice of cake.
Oh. What I love more than anything is interior decorating.
Decorating?
Beautiful designs. And where am I? In this grey room. My wish is to be able to decorate my little room.
Wallpaper. I knew it would come in handy sometime.
Oh, how exciting! No, don't look. This is going to be a surprise. Off you go. Leave me to my decorating.
Ooh, why don't we go somewhere? We'll come back later and see Lifter's room. Wind! That's a great idea, Sol. We could all go somewhere windy.
Where are we going?
Where are we going?
Where are we going today? Where are we going to play? Where are we going today?
Mercury, Venus.
Earth or Mars?
So many planets out there in the stars. Jupiter, Saturn.
Uranus too.
Don't forget Neptune.
I never do. Where are we going today? Where are we going to play? Where are we going today? Where are we going today?
There's Neptune. That's windy.
Going to Neptune would give Lifter time to decorate her room in peace.
Let's find out about Neptune.
Hello, Cosmo. Kian here.
This astronomer is going to tell us all about the planet Neptune, so pay attention.
This is the solar system, and these are the planets. This one at the end is called Neptune. Neptune is a big blue planet. Neptune is the farthest planet from the sun. That makes Neptune terribly cold, one of the ice giant planets. So remember, Neptune is a big blue planet, farthest from the sun, and it's very cold.
Could you please help me remember that? Neptune is a big blue planet, farthest from the sun, and it's very cold. Thanks. Cosmo out. Are you sure you'll be okay on your own, Lifter?
Oh, of course, Petal. Couldn't be happier. Wait until you see what I do with the place. Off you go. Go on.
Begin launch sequence. Past all the other planets towards the solar system's end.
The ice giant Neptune.
Our cold and windy friend. So beautifully blue.
Oh, what a lovely view.
But farthest from the sun.
Makes it cold
For me and you. Past all the other planets towards the solar system's end.
The ice giant Neptune, our cold and windy friend. Take us to Neptune, Gil.
An update for your Neptune location file is available. Downloading update now. Download failed. Retrying. Please wait.
We don't have to wait for Gil. Will you help me find Neptune? Great! These are all the planets. The sun is here. If we could remember whether Neptune is close to the sun or far away from the sun, then we'd know which way to go. Is Neptune close to the sun or far away from the sun? Far away! This one is Neptune. Neptune is a big blue planet, farthest from the sun, and it's very cold. It's out that way, Dad.
Update installed. Now, to get to Neptune.
We know, farthest from the sun.
Well, it would have sounded better coming from a supercomputer.
Wow! Neptune is beautiful.
There we go. Whoa. There we go.
We've landed in a windy part of Neptune. And it's so cold. Cold.
I'd really rather stay behind, you know.
The trip out will do you good, Gil.
Do you feel it, Sol? The wind is even stronger than Lifter's breath. Wind!
What we need is a kite. And it just so happens...
A kite!
Watch this, everyone! No, don't watch that. That wasn't it.
Don't worry, Dad. Look.
Stabilizing shoes. Here it goes!
Wow! It's flying! Look, Sol! Kite! Keep going, Dad! Wow! I kite! You're not a kite, Sol. Kites fly up in the air. I kite.
Whoa! Whoa! It's getting windier.
Scanning. Analysis indicates that conditions are very windy.
Can you be more specific, Gil?
Yes. Breezy, blustery, one might say.
Westerly wind approaching 2,000 kilometers per hour.
Is that a lot?
Yes, that makes Neptune the windiest planet in the solar system.
The windiest planet in the solar system? Hey, that's something amazing to tell your friends. Neptune is the windiest planet in the solar system.
And that's too windy for us. We better head back to the ship.
Whoa.
Dad!
Don't worry. I did 7 extra push-ups this morning. Arms of steel. I'll never let go. Whoa.
Dad, let go!
But if I let go, my kite will blow away. It's my favourite kite. It's my only kite.
Dad, let go before it takes you any higher.
Warning. Prepare for massive gust of wind. In 3, 2, 1.
I kite. Whoa. Oh, dear.
Ah,
Those gassy hills will be nice and soft.
that's right. We can just let go over one of those hills.
It's too high. I don't think I can do it.
They'll be perfect for a soft landing. You can do it. You can do anything, Cosmo.
Really?
Of course.
Really? I can do it.
That's right.
Let's jump onto the soft hills. Help me work out when to let go. When we're right above the hill, shout now. Now? Not yet. When we're right above it. Now? Almost. Now! Let go, everyone!
Oh, I love slides.
We're back where we started.
My kite.
Oh.
You'll get another kite someday.
Let's get inside. We'll go and find out how Lifter is getting on with her decorating.
Yay! Begin launch sequence. Past all the other planets towards the solar system's end.
The ice giant Neptune,
Our cold and windy friend. So beautifully blue.
oh what a lovely view.
But farthest from the sun.
Makes it cold
For me and you. And we learned something amazing today. Neptune is the windiest planet in the solar system. Past all the other planets towards the solar system's end.
The ice giant Neptune, our cold and windy friend.
Lifter! It's beautiful!
It is rather lovely, isn't it, sweetie? It's been a wonderful birthday. Just wait until you see the rest of it.
The rest of what? Oh, Lifter!
Oh,
The moon base is beautiful!
The whole moon base, every inch.
Well done, Lifter! Mission complete!
All I have left is this one square of flowery wallpaper. Seems such a shame to let it go to waste.
A kite! Go, Dad! Yay! Wind, wind!
Oh, look at it go.